When mosquitoes come by, you may think about the itch, where it's going to bite you, and possibly the scarring after. But in certain places in the world, mosquitoes are seen as grim reapers. These tiny bugs can carry and spread diseases, and the most common being malaria. Without prompt treatment and the right resources, it can lead to anemia, seizures, and even organ failure. From research, we have found that there is one weak spot of malaria. Every organism doesn't just come about. We are built little by little with certain processes that occur in our body. One of the pathways being this one that leads to the precursors of our building blocks. And malaria depends on this pathway as well. The difference is we have multiple pathways that do the same, but malaria has only this one. As it is the life of malaria, we can think of it as a river, as water is life, etc. What can be done to rivers is it can be redirected or dammed up. Beavers and humanity has dammed rivers for many reasons, and we can use the same approach to malaria. But before damming the river, we do need to know where is the river, what's in it, and if we dam it, how it influences the surroundings. And my research is exactly that. What compounds are involved, what happens to these compounds, and are there other factors that we are not seeing? So I take these compounds and I put it into a machine, and that machine breaks it down gently in various levels so I can see what happens physically. I also take possible compounds and insert it into a program that gives me predictions on what pathways it can go through. Once we get the exact picture, we can then build this dam and essentially have a possible drug available over the counter in these regions that are influenced, and stop the devastating effects of malaria by damming these